Hello, this is Mrs. Smith. We are going to talk about two-digit by two-digit multiplication using friendly numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this grid paper to help me. So I'm going to take the number 13 and make it into a more friendly number. So 13 can be split into the number 10 and the number 3. So along the top here, you will see that I have a grid which has 13 blocks along the top. So I'm going to go ahead and break the 13 blocks into 10 blocks and 3 blocks and draw a line. So after the 10th block, I am going to draw a line. You can see my red pencil all the way down. Sorry, that's not very straight. Okay, so there's 10, okay, which means there's 3 left over here. Now I'm going to do the same with 15. Now 15 is on the other side, and so here it's 15 blocks down. So I'm going to take my 15 and break it into 10 and 5. So I'm going to count down. After my 10th block, I'm going to draw a line here. So now I have 10 blocks here and 5 blocks here. So here's a picture of my grid paper now that I have broken it into more friendly numbers. Now that I have easier numbers to multiply, we're going to make our new multiplication equations. So my first equation is going to be in this grid here. I'm going to go 10 times 10. I do this because there's 10 blocks across and 10 blocks down. So my equation would be 10 times 10. Over here, my equation is going to be 3 times 10. This is because it's 3 blocks across and 10 blocks down. Next, I do my one down here, which is 5 blocks down and 10 blocks across. Lastly, in this little part here, it's 3 blocks across and 5 blocks down. Now that I have my new equations, I need to solve them. So, with my friendly numbers, I'm going to solve these multiplication equations. So my first one, 10 times 10, is equal to 100. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. And 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So I have broken down the equation 13 times 15 into 4 more easily solvable equations. So 10 times 10 we said was equal to 100, 5 times 10 was equal to 50, 3 times 10 was equal to 30, and 3 times 5 was equal to 15. Now my job is to add all of those up to solve the answer to 13 times 15. So in the first column I have 5, okay, then I have 9 and 1. So my answer to 13 times 15 is 195.